Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M53 and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and now we have to scroll down to find Accounts and Backup. Let's enter this option, and as you can see on the third position we've got the whole Google Drive section. So just tap on Backup Data and tap on Add Account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. What's more, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and your device will autofill it just after tapping on Next. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on Next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so I will pick the first option. And as you can see, we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so you can of course read them. Just tap on it, and here you've got all the info you need. So let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the info about the backup. So as you can see, we can use the 15 GB of Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and also text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Here you've got also the info that your device will back up the data automatically, will store it securely, and you will be able to manage the backup easily. So if for some reason you do not want to back up the data right now, just tap on Not Now. And if you will again decide that you want to save the data in another place, just go back to this Google Drive option and tap on Backup Data. Basically, what I just wanted to show you is that you do not have to go through the whole process of adding the account here. You will be just transferred to this step. So actually all you have to do is to simply tap on Turn On, and as you can see, we've been transferred to the backup storage, let's say. So here you can check how much space you've got used. You can manage the storage, of course, so for example remove something. Here under it you've got some backup details, which means that you can check what kind of things has been backed up. And under it you've got advanced settings, you've got backup using mobile or metered Wi-Fi data, and I highly recommend to leave this option turned off because probably you will be charged for using it. So actually all you have to do here is to tap on Backup Now, and as you can see, we've got the info that your device is backing up the data. So actually this is it. This is how to enable Google Backup in your Samsung Galaxy M53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.